Hi, I'm Mr. Buttons, and today is Monday, November 18th, 2019, and I am in Big Bend National Park on the Pine Canyon Trail, and it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be almost 80 degrees today, so let's take a hike. All right, I'm on Pine Canyon. It's 2 miles up and 2 miles back. It's a pretty good little hike, 1,000 feet of elevation gain. And this is definitely bear territory in the mountains. Haven't seen any bears. That's a good thing. And I figured I'd make the video on the way down a little easier to breathe. This is such a different environment from just at the trailhead where it's just completely arid desert, and then you get in here and it's just trees. Very nice. So Pine Canyon is a pretty nice little hike. It's kind of a pain to get to because the roads up to it are not maintained very well. But it's a pretty nice little hike, definitely worth coming out to. Unfortunately, well, I'm glad I haven't seen any bears because that just freaks me out. Well, yesterday I was talking about my 12-volt system on the pop-up camper. Yeah, I had disconnected the battery because it had gone bad. And when I reconnected it, I kind of did it backwards, so it was blowing the fuse in the panel box. So I got that fixed, and a new solar charger installed on it, and that's doing great. Got the battery, the new battery, all fully charged. The lights, yeah. You want one thing at a time. Yeah, I got the heater working, 12-volt lights working, so I'm all good. And right now I get my the solar panels that I run a separate 2-battery system on with an outlet and USB ports. I have that charging up my cordless batteries for the drill because I am going to install, I have it in the truck, I have another solar panel, 100-watt solar panel. I want to get that at least put on top of the camper and get it out of my car, free up some space, and hopefully it's not damaged. And if I get it up on the top of the camper, it won't get damaged driving around. Oh, I saw a Roadrunner on the way up here. I knew I should have put my other camera on the dashboard and would have seen it. So far they've been running across the road. The coyote walked right next to my campsite. That's pretty cool. But look at this, the difference when we're coming out of this. So this might be a short video for today, just this one little hike. I think I'm going to set up my shower so I can get all cleaned up this afternoon. And I might work on installing that solar panel I was talking about. That would be a really good thing. Alright, I'll see you later.